Guys, it's Tonya M and I'm back, period. I'm back with another wig review, this time from a wig company called Karlami. And they sent me over a 26-inch deep wave 13x4 unit. This is the cap construction. She's a 13x4, a true frontal because it doesn't taper off on the sides. It is a true 13x4. The lace is, it's really good lace. It's thin. I don't know if it's HD or not. But it comes with two combs by the temples, a comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. And this is what she looks like on before I do anything to her. As you can see, the knots do need to be bleached, so I will be doing that. The hairline is kind of thick, except for like the first, I guess, few rows of knots. But I like her to be plucked a little more, so I will be going in and plucking her. I love the length on this. She's 26 inches. I'm only 5'2", so she comes down pretty long on me. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and pluck her, and I'll be right back with the install. So to save time, I've already done a few things. So I've tinted the lace, and I have also cut off the lace, the extra lace, and I'm going to go ahead and get ready to install her. So I did pluck her. As you can see, it was fairly easy to pluck, and the knots bleached really well. So I'm going to go ahead and take my, I forgot what kind of glue. Oh, bowl hold. My bowl hold glue. And I'm going to apply 2 layers. I really, really wish I could keep this lace wig on longer. But, you know, I have more wig reviews to do. So I only apply 2 layers. Usually I apply 3 or 4 if I'm keeping her on for an extended period of time. Excuse my son in the background. He just knows that I'm about to record a video because he pops up every time. Just going to spread that out really thin so it can dry quickly and I can apply the next layer. And once that glue dries, I can go ahead and press the lace down into the glue just to make sure that it is secure. Once you press the lace down in the glue, you're going to want to apply your elastic band really tight so that it helps the lace to melt into the glue. I prefer a thinner band, but as you can see later on, I could only find the my thick night band at that time. So I just made sure that I tied it pretty tight. So the band that I use is pretty much the one that I use to go to sleep in to make sure my lace stays down. But yeah, while you watch me do this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like this video. Then hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. The more love you show my videos, the more that I can put out and more reviews I can bring you guys. So I did keep that lace band on for maybe like 30 minutes, took it off, and now I am going to apply my lace melting spray. This just helps the lace to blend better. And this is by Ebin. Also, guys, before I applied the lace glue, I did apply my skin protectant. Please do not forget to apply your skin protectant, guys. I bought one from Ebin. If you want to see a more detailed install with the items I used, you can click the link in the description box below at the very end of the descriptions. So now that I have installed the wig, after I apply the lace melting spray, I did leave the lace band back on again for like 30 minutes to an hour. And then you want to, take it off after that. I did have to apply more of my foundation to tint it. If y'all see certain angles, you can still see the lace. That just is what it is. Yeah, no. It is what it is when it comes to lace. It's not 100% invisible, especially with the lighting I'm using is really bright. So certain angles, you're still going to see the lace, but in natural lighting, you cannot see the lace. I promise you guys. And you'll see that if you go to my Instagram, I will post more photos of myself in the wig. And so you can see how it looks with natural lighting. Yeah. Oh, I also have a TikTok. So go to my TikTok channel and you'll see more rig reviews and installs there. Now it's time to define the curls. I'm going to 100% completely saturate this hair with water first. This curl pattern is so gorgeous. She's a deep wave. I would describe her as a 3A or deep curl, deep wave. It's really pretty. I like that the curls, it's still curly, but it still has the length on it. So I'm really impressed with the hair quality. Then I'm taking my Verb curling foam and I'm going to apply that just to define the curls. I'm going for a side part. I am a side part girly. I do like middle parts, but I mostly, when it comes to curly hair, I like a flip over method. It just looks real natural to me that way, and it looks real pretty. Guys, while you're watching me define these curls, again, the link to this wig will be in the description box, along with some other links, such as my website, which is 1111 Beauty. I do sell 100% real make lashes, and I also sell wigs I have reviewed. So if you want a discounted wig, go ahead and check that out. Link will be in the description box. But yeah, just look at this. This is so cute. I was just getting more and more impressed as I was, towards the end of this video. Just getting this wig prepared and applied to my head. I was really impressed with the quality of the hair. I really enjoyed it. The knots were small and easy to bleach. So this wig came out really nice and it's really pretty. So stay tuned for my final result. Hi guys, so I'm back with the finished results of this install of this 13 by 4 deep wave unit from Karlami. She will be linked in the description box so you can purchase. Just so you know, this company takes Klarna. Y'all know I am a big advocate for the pay in for companies, and Klarna is one of my favorites. This wig install was fairly easy. The knots were really small. However, I did have to bleach them. I did have to bleach the knots, so if you are new to wigs and you don't really know how to do that, just take her to your local stylist, have her install there too. I did pluck her also. That's the only thing I have about this wig, is that the hairline was kind of dense for my liking. Some people might like it like that. I prefer a more plucked or more thinned out hairline because it looks more natural and more like my hairline. Not that I'm bald headed. I just got a natural hairline. But I am in love with this curl pattern. Like, this curl pattern is really unique. I have never had a wig this curl pattern. It's like a 3A. That's the only way I know how to describe it, which is like a loose curl. It's called a loose deep wave. But I've never had it so where it really looks like a true like 3A hair texture. So I'm really loving that. And she's long. She's 26 inches. So she comes down to the top of my bottom with it still being curly, no straighten or anything. So I can't wait to like do some different styles with this, like do like a wand curl and whatnot. That would be cute. I thank you guys for watching. If you like videos like this and you would like to see more, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down, tell me what you think about the wig. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok, where I'll post more photos and reels of the wig. And don't forget to visit my personal website, 1111beauty.bigcartel.com, if you're interested in purchasing wigs that I reviewed or mink lashes, which I don't have on today, which is rare for me because I always wear lashes. But yeah, thanks for watching. Y'all stay blessed. Bye.